wonder what she thinks. I wonder what she sees.
Virgilio Jr. and Eileen, bring your family to the church. Never forget that. Make your family, though imperfect, though genuine weaknesses, pero happy and holy family. Kay tali el Dios con ustedes na pamilya.
Till the morning.
Thank you, love, kasi masatu yung prometenan iyo tatay nana. Nasataki pa sila. Kaya sige agad. Estedía.
Mahang pang ara sabi yo alegre ustedes kaya tupad yo di mio promise cuando takipa ustedes unto kanamon.
It's what defines you and I.
To my love, to be honest, no ay yung idea ko sa Dali Gift Contigo. Pero pwede lang nyo syempre encontra by help of God. Siguro gat tan push para Dali Contigo. Tan symbolize na our love is infinity. Thanks God and thanks love. I love you so much. See you in a while. Mwah.
Where the sunlight turns a darkened sky.
Love, yan proud ka tiyo. Kita dito yung more. Proud kami ka tiyo. Lamang Contigo, my husband. Ang promise tiyo to be your good friend, lover. I promise to be your biggest supporter.
To my wife, Eileen, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa mahal nating Panginoon dahil tinupad niya ang aking hiling na bigyan ako ng mapagmahal at mapag-alaga na partner.
Oh! Thank you! To my forever. Love, gift yung preparagat nyo, para Dali Contigo kay Puhon Kereo Mira, lleno de cash. Debit cards with laman, hahaha, joke. Pero verdad, kay nesita kita man ipon para na future di aton, menoraya el comprada de shoes. I love you, see you later, my hubby, love, Eileen. Thank you. Gracias to yung gift. Because of yung abla kita letter, pikura kat yung ase po ni kita laman, manipon kita para na future di aton, ase kita tupad. Gracias. I love you. See you later.
Virgilio Jr., pay respect to your parents. Love them. Do not forget them. They will grow in their age, they will grow old. Be there for them as well. If you can accompany them, be there. Because later on, ustedes mag-aanak, tamira tambien. Ejemplo ustedes, tadali ko ng mag-aanak, that though you are married to each other, you still love and respect and taking care of your parents.
Love, una na todo, tabidi ka tiyo grasya con God, y dale ele conmigo un hombre responsable, bien largo el pasensya, un anak, respetuoso, y grande el amor na mayores. Un partner na never conmigo yan give up for almost 13 years.
Will you
Let us all stand and let us give our pinakamalakas na palakpakan to Mr. and Mrs. Dingan.
I promise to care for you, to encourage you. I promise you to be your always and forever. I love you so much now. Thank you, Kat na todo.
Promise di mio, hindi io asisintiduele con Aileen. Cuida io con ele, igual ta cuidale conmigo. Hindi io con ele cambia. Maskin man blanco pa de amon pelo. Maskin sa pauyel mga gente. Mio amor, amo lang syempre. Hindi kat cambia hasta para cuando. I love you, love. Thank you.
Will you stay on Will you stay on? Will you stay on?